Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'll show you how to make a very simple meal, a simple dish called rice and beans. Now this dish was specially requested by my husband, and of course I decided to treat him to a tasty meal of rice and beans with assorted meat stew. Please stay tuned and watch how I prepared this dish. So for this recipe, I used 2.5 cups of long grain rice and 2 cups of brown beans. You can get the brown beans from your local Afro-Caribbean stores, or some local supermarkets do stock them. So I usually like to wash my rice a few times or until the water runs clear, and that's to get rid of the starch in the rice. Now if you don't wash your rice before cooking it, you get a sticky looking rice. But once you've washed it, after cooking the rice, you realize the rice is fluffy and it is grainy, and that's the look you want to achieve once you've washed your rice properly. I usually like to use a pressure cooker to cook beans because it's quicker, one, and secondly, the beans actually maintains its wholesome look and also comes out looking fluffy and quite tasty. You may want to give it a try yourself. So to check whether the beans is cooked, first take the pressure cooker off the heat. Position the steam vent well away from you to avoid any burns. Let the steam out gradually from the steam vent. Then allow the pressure cooker to cool down for about a minute or two before you open it. So for this recipe, I'm going to stir fry the cooked rice and beans using some butter just to give it some buttery flavor. And I will be dishing that out and serving it with some delicious assorted meat stew. And I'll be serving that up to my lovely husband. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.